So we're driving this Skoda Octavia LMK and there's a lot of wheel spin on offer and it's great fun to drive. We're driving this in the city of Goa. It's a lovely view, lovely scenic beaches and beauty, and I'm loving the drive. I'm going to show you more about the engine, about the drive, about the performance of the car. Stay tuned on the vlog and keep watching. We all know the tagline of Skoda, which is simply clever because of the smart storage spaces and small clever things that they do. और एक उनकी signature thing है जो Superb में आती थी और अब Octavia में भी आती है. As soon as you open the door, there are these smart umbrella pockets, and these are the Skoda umbrellas. In case you are in bright sunlight, you have this umbrella. Skoda. Simply clever. This umbrella thing, other than Skoda, if you want to have it, you have to buy a Rolls Royce. And this car also comes with a smart trash bin here at the driver door. So keep your city clean and keep it green. Hello friends and welcome to Auto Show by the Car Mall. Another day, another weekend, another Sunday. And we are here again in Goa with another Skoda car, a premium sedan from the Skoda stable. The Skoda Octavia. So friends, जो premium sedan segment है, उसमें Skoda Octavia has always been a leader. And we are with the top of the variant of Skoda Octavia today in Goa, and we'll take it around the city and we'll show you what this beast has got. And thanks to Priority Skoda Goa who have extended us this courtesy car for the review. So stay tuned on the vlog. और अगर आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करो so that we keep coming for you every Sunday with new cars, special cars, exciting cars and some sports cars. Hey guys, follow us on Instagram at the Auto Expert with an X, not to miss on any exciting updates from us. So first things first, that's the key of the Skoda Octavia with lots of chrome on the corners and piano black and with the Skoda logo. It's very smart key over here. And जो strength है कार की वो है इसका massive boot जो कि किसी भी कार में नहीं है. It is a 600 liter boot and इस की को हम डालते हैं पॉकेट में and it comes with a gesture control. And I'll just kick over here and we are ready to load our luggage in the car. So that comes with a gesture control और इसकी seats जो है वो पूरी flip हो जाती हैं. And if I fold this seats, यहाँ से right वाली, यहाँ से left वाली. So I'll just fold it. There's our camera kept over there, so पूरी seats नीचे नहीं जा पाई. So once you fold it, it is a massive boot of 15-55 liters, my dear friends. तो इसमें आराम से लेट के जा सकते हो और आराम से अंदर बैठ के भी जा सकते हो. So if you want to go 6-seater, आप आराम से अच्छा वेदर है गोवा में 6-seater घूम सकते हो. And so this is actually a massive boot. And let's talk about the car. ये तो boot की बात थी. It comes with the electric tailgate. So that is the back of the car, the all-new Skoda Octavia LMK version. It comes with a bold Skoda lettering at the back with Octavia badging at the left bottom of the boot. And आप tail lamps देख सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे boomerang shaped LED tail lamps दिए हुए हैं. We'll show you more about the exteriors and about the engine of the car and the performance. So stay tuned and keep watching. अगर आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो अभी के अभी बने रहो व्लॉग पे और सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, लाइक करो इस वीडियो को. So we're driving the all-new Skoda Octavia LMK on the Goa roads, and this car, my friends, is fun to drive. And as soon as you enter this car, not to miss is the dashboard and the cockpit of the car. It comes with a big 10.25 inches virtual cockpit, which you can see right in front of me. It's a full digital display which is very attractive, and you have lots of options to choose from. This car comes with a stand-alone 10 inches infotainment tablet system which you can see right in front of me. It's all digital and all touch screens. और जो डैशबोर्ड है बहुत ही सुंदर है. They have actually changed the Skoda Octavia and it's totally into its new avatar from the outside as well as from the inside. तो अगर आप अंदर के लुक की बात करो तो बहुत ही अच्छा क्वालिटी का सॉफ्ट प्लास्टिक यूज़ किया हुआ है. As soon as I press it, आप देख रहे हो मेरी उंगली भी अंदर तक जा रही है. So it's a very good quality soft plastic and उसके नीचे लग्जरी ऐड करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा suede leather यूज़ किया है which is again very soft and comfortable to feel and touch on. उसके नीचे लग्जरी के लिए पियानो ब्लैक फिनिश दिया हुआ है and then again a very good quality plastic. and अगर आप सेंटर कंसोल की बात करो इंफोटेनमेंट स्क्रीन के नीचे तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारा क्रोम यूज़ किया हुआ है with very less buttons. So the dashboard is very clean, not cluttered at all, minimalistic buttons and everything is controlled via this touch screen. I couldn't find any button here to reduce the speed of the AC blower. For that I need to go into climate and climate में जाके classic AC में then I'll have to increase or decrease the speed of the blower. That was a little inconvenient to figure out, but once you get used to it, I'm sure if you're driving this car around, you will get the hang of it. The variant which we are driving is the LNK automatic variant, and another unique feature which I've not seen in any other car is the gear shifting of this car. If you can see the gear lever, this is the gear knob. It's not a traditional gear shifting lever. Small knob and they call it shift by wire. It is a 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox which is very responsive and very quick upshifts and downshifts. And to assist that, they have also given these pedal shifts to add on to the quicker gear shifting. So the shape of the car is very aerodynamic. अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत ही aerodynamic shape है कार का. ऊपर shark fin antenna दिया हुआ है and there's lots of chrome around the windows of the car. और ये आपका easy entry and exit दिया हुआ है कार में. So if you have the key of the car in your pocket, you don't have to lock and unlock the key. Very convenient feature. और alloy wheels की अगर हम बात करें बहुत ही smart multi spoke alloy wheels दिए हुए हैं कार में. The tire size is 205/55R R17. It's a 17-inch alloy wheel in size with a Skoda logo in the center. और अगर आगे आप आओगे तो यहाँ पे LNK की बैजिंग मिलती है. LNK is Lauren and Clement. It's the top of the line version of the Skoda Octavia. और अगर फ्रंट की आप बात करो, usually we start from the front, but इसका boot इतना attractive था that we had to start from the back. How can we miss that? Talking about the front of the car, the all-new Skoda comes with a wider typical Skoda grille surrounded by lots of chrome. You can see lots of chrome along the center grille, the black center grille. उसके ऊपर आपको मिलता है Skoda का signature logo. अगर आप headlamps की बात करोगे so these are by LED headlamps and they call it Skoda crystal lighting. So that's a advanced technology which they use. It's an advanced crystal lighting by Skoda and very smart by LED headlamps with daytime running lights. The bonnet slopes down till the top of the nose and roof slopes back in the fastback style. So it's a big bonnet and slopes down till the top of the nose. और अगर आप roof देखोगे so जो roof है कार की, that roof slopes back in the fastback style. So it is a very good looking and aerodynamic shaped car. A power of 198 bhp and 320 Nm of torque. Let's see what this machine has got under this hood. So this car comes with only a petrol engine, and in fact all the Skoda cars now are coming with only petrol engine, and this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine which we are driving. This car generates a power of 198 bhp, my dear friends, with a massive torque of 320 Nm. So this car is actually fun to drive and it has a lot of power. Are you holding the camera properly?
Yep.
So if I accelerate, this car really takes off. So as soon as you press that accelerator down, you feel a lot of noise and grunt and it's music to the ears. But there's a bit of lag around the 1000 RPM mark. The suspension is also very well configured, and जो भी थोड़े बहुत potholes and खराब road है, we could feel much of discomfort in the car. The suspension really dams the potholes, dams the roads pretty well. So what I like is that they have given a slider bar over here below the infotainment screen, and you can increase and decrease the volume with this slider bar. Although यहाँ jog dial दिया हुआ है chrome का, so it can easily also be done from here. So it's kind of a gimmick, but it's really look fancy and good to use. Everything about this car is a plus. The way it drives, the way it feels, the comfort, the luxury. The only minus which I could find in this car is that this car doesn't have a sunroof. तो जो प्राइस ब्रैकेट है इस कार का अबाउट 30 lakhs रुपीज़, इस प्राइस ब्रैकेट में sunroof होना चाहिए था, because all the competitors and everybody is giving a sunroof. Although we are in a hot weather, hot temperature, it's not much of a utility, but definitely it is a aesthetic feature. So the new Skoda Octavia is 19mm longer and 15mm wider than its predecessor. It has a longer wheelbase as well, so that gives it more comfort and more luxury for the passengers to sit in. और अगर आप फीचर्स की बात करोगे तो इट्स लोडेड विद लॉट्स ऑफ फीचर्स, जैसे कि आपको मैंने बताया था. यहाँ नीचे वायरलेस चार्जिंग दिया हुआ है, दैट्स द वायरलेस चार्जर, और इसके साइड में यहाँ पे 2 C टाइप के चार्जिंग पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं. दैट्स द पार्किंग मोड फॉर यू. दिस इज द गियर शिफ्टिंग, ड्राइव, न्यूट्रल, रिवर्स एंड दैट्स पार्क. ये आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्किंग ब्रेक है, ऑटो होल्ड है, एंड यहाँ पे ग्लव बॉक्स दिया हुआ है एंड लॉट्स ऑफ स्मार्ट स्टोरेजेस. यू कैन कीप योर की ओवर हेयर. यहाँ पे भी स्टोरेज है, एंड जो सीट्स हैं वो भी बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, यू नो, वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड कुशनी सीट्स. द हेडरेस्ट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट, फुल ऑफ लेदर, एंड द सीट्स हैव पार्शियल स्वेड इन इट. सेंटर में लेदर है बिकॉज स्वेड जल्दी ख़राब हो जाता है. सो वेरी स्मार्ट एंड क्लेवर थिंकिंग हुआ है स्कोडा की साइड्स में उन्होंने कहीं कहीं पे स्वेड दिया हुआ है, सो टू गिव यू दैट soft and cushiony feel. Body hugging seats are there, and there is not at all any kind of fatigue when you're driving this car. So we are sitting at the back seat of this new Skoda Octavia, and this seat is very comfortable, very nice, slightly reclining angle the seat has, and it comes with a center armrest with 2 cup holders in the center. It comes with rear AC vents, as you can see here, with some storage beneath it and with 2 C type charging points. So यहाँ पे side lines दिए हुए हैं, manual side curtains, and there are smart bits because Skoda is simply clever. There is a very smart mobile pocket over here. You can keep your mobile, because आजकल बहुत महंगे mobiles आते हैं, they keep rolling over here and there, so you can keep your mobile safely. It's given in both the seats, at the back of the seats, and that's the magazine holder for you. So lots of comfort and leg room, head room, shoulder room at the back seat of this Skoda. As soon as you enter the driving seat of the car, there's a very smart infotainment screen, as you can see, and बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ पे Skoda लिख के आता है. And when you press the start stop button, the virtual cockpit appears. Leather and suede seats which come with 3 memory seats. Both the seats are electrically adjustable and they have lumbar support as well. So we are sitting inside the car and the steering wheel feels very nice to hold on to, a very nice grip and a very nice, just a perfect size, you know. And you'll totally feel in control of the car when you're driving this car. और बहुत अच्छे यहाँ पे buttons दिए हुए हैं chrome के, scrolling के लिए dials दिए हुए हैं for audio, for other menu options, and आप अपना जो instrument cluster है उसकी settings virtual cockpit की यहाँ से change कर सकते हो. So that's the dial, and now the dial is disappeared. So the car comes with 16 Canton speakers and a very beautiful infotainment system and a music system. Let's check out the sound of the music system. ज़्यादा नहीं चला सकता कि copyright आ जाएगा YouTube पे. So yeah, it's a very good music system. We heard it while we were driving the car in Goa. So overall, it's a complete package. Lots of luxury, lots of comfort, loaded with features, infotainment system, and the latest technologies they're using, which no one is using. Like I told you about the transmission, the shift by wire. So what shift by wire means is that there is no physical linkage between the transmission and the gearbox. It is all done electrically. So that's a new technology which Skoda is using. That's why the gear shifts are so smooth that it's really fun to drive. So the 0 to 100 of this car is 8 seconds flat. We'll try to show it to you because currently we are driving in the city, so it's not possible. the Skoda Superb comes with a reverse camera, and I would have liked if they had given a 360-degree camera. So the front cabin also comes with these touch lights. As soon as I touch them, they'll switch on, and with a touch I can switch them off. और अब हो चुका है vlog खत्म, तो चलते हैं कार के बाहर. So as soon as I switch off the car, there's a very cute feature, very small thing, but I really appreciate and I really like it. जैसे ही मैं इसको switch off करूँगा, the Skoda car comes here in the instrument cluster, and it tells you about the data, the time, the travel time, the odometer, कितना distance हमने travel किया. We have driven it 74 kilometers today. And यहाँ infotainment screen पे बहुत ही cute reminder आता है. Did you forget anything? Do you have your cell phone? Goodbye. So it's goodbye from me, and we have not forgotten anything. We have kept our cell phones. So you also keep your cell phone safely and have a safe drive. Friends, if you want to buy a premium sedan in this 30 lakh segment, we showed you this Skoda Octavia. A good build quality, a massive boot, a strong engine, a powerful engine, lots of luxury and comfort. The Skoda Octavia has all. So if you're thinking of buying a car in a 30 lakh segment, a premium sedan, this is the car that should be on your top priority list. So I hope आपको हमारा आज का ये vlog पसंद आया होगा. And अगर आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल को. We'll keep coming with more videos every Sunday with some special cars. Stay tuned, stay safe, goodbye and God bless. Keep watching.